That is the story of my life, baby. That's the fucking story of my life. Hey, Dave's doing this. He's an idiot. He's an idiot. Dude, I'm 8 steps ahead, you fucking morons. Let's turn this machine on. Let's go. 1 minute. Click, 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 click. Turn it on, and then they're going to want Amazon because they know what I knew yesterday. Packages. I may go flat tomorrow. I got no feel. I got nothing. I got no feel. I'll get my first good night's sleep in a fucking month. What? Why? No. What? Did I miss this? I pressed the wrong button. What are you talking about? Well, that didn't go at all what I thought was going to fucking happen there. I had 500 shares of Amazon that I just tried to sell, 580 to be exact, and go flat into the night. I bought 580 instead. So now I have 1,182 shares. It's up a $250,000, but I did not want to take this into the night. I don't even know what the fuck happened. So now I have 2 million in. So it looks like me and that bald fuck Bezos are gonna ride again tomorrow. Fuck. Wrap this fucking what? I'm up 250 and I'm mad. Fuck you. Fuck you.